Sound deadening or soundproofing. What do we imagine first when we start talking about these definitions? You will be right if you will mention removing noise, removing rattles. So in another world, just trying to keep all these noises outside, and you will be absolutely right. But what if I tell you that there is another approach to use a sound deadening? So let's talk today with a Honda Civic, and this car is boosted for 150 decibel and trying to stay this noise inside the car. So the name of this discipline is the SPL, sound pressure level. This is when people are trying to put and gain the maximum sound pressure inside the car. So they soundproof the whole body, trying to put as large speakers as they can, and amplifiers, all this wiring, do all this tricky and very interesting engineering, and then participate in different championships and different levels to boost their car and grab the maximum pressure level inside the car. Particularly, this car is participating in the class of trunk, so it means that they try to put, and as you can see, there is a special handle, so it means that this boot lid should be very heavy. So let's take a look. You can even pump your head with this, do some exercise. And as you can see, it's covered, all surface was covered with the soundproofing on the boot lid, inside, and everything and everywhere to avoid a sound pressure leaking, and try to stay it as much as I can only inside the car. But the actual reason why customer decided to come to me, to SDS, this was the problem with the roof. There is no any car that was specifically designed to keep this high pressure 140, 150 decibels inside, especially these old cars when there is a big reinforcement bars. So customer, he asked me to rebuild the entire roof and to apply a special product, the SPL product. This is a StP. This is a product from Standard Plus and name it MassaBassa. It's different from the regular sound deadening and soundproofing materials that we have and install in a typical cars. It has a 4 special mastic. First of all, it has a special mastic inside. This is a 4.2 millimeters mastic. It's a mix of bitumen and rubber, so it's not a typical rubber that we have. And it has an extensive 200 microns foil. So having all these 2 components inside one product, it guarantee and it enhance your roof 4 times just per 1 layer. So in this video, I will demonstrate you how I do the install all vibration damping, prepare the surface, and install a new one, a proper one, and we will check the difference. Let's see. The name of this product is StP MassaBassa or MassaBassa. It has a special construction with a 4.2 millimeters with a mix and advanced mastic. So first of all, before applying a new material, the metal should be like a cleaned, and all these sticky old vibration damping must be removed. Otherwise, this new StP MassaBassa will not stick properly, and this effect of the new 4.2 millimeter vibration damping will not be the maximum. So that's why I've already spent approximately 2 days cleaning mechanically. Unfortunately, there is no any automation or any tools. Maybe in some you know, like a shipping sound deadening, I saw something, but those tools so huge that they are just not applicable for car sound deadening. So that's why I do this mechanically. And another aspect, important aspect, that it can be done with some metal tools. Otherwise, the metal body would be damaged. Yeah, this anti-corrosion protection, or the paint would be scratched, and that's just not how it should be. So that's why I used a set of this plastic trim removals or another shape, everything that I have to do this properly and do it once, and then yeah, the installation will happen. So let's proceed. Another important aspect while you're dealing with removing and all vibration damping or whatever, any vibration damping, even a stock, is to use gloves, because the foil, it's very sharp and you can easily damage your hands, so the blood will appear. So that's why use any leather stuff, some type of gloves that the sticky vibration damping would not stick with this one. That's how you should protect your hands. Otherwise, yeah, it must be a painful job. Поехали. You see now there is no gap. It works as it should be. So the sealant was applied almost everywhere where it's possible, even in these technical holes. I put everywhere. So firstly to avoid the bleeding of sound pressure, yeah, while measuring, and the second one, avoiding the wobbling of the roof and putting a new one instead of a standard that is approximately 20 plus years old. So now it's time to apply the vibration damping, and then the car would be a bulletproof. So this side was already covered with 2 layers and without like a stripes through the perimeter. It will be done later. This is completely empty. I think you see and feel the difference.